Hi! Welcome back or welcome to the channel. Para baliktad. This is Marky from PH Books and More. Hello, everybody. I hope you're enjoying your day. I am back again with another bookish video, and this is part 6 of my bookshelf tour. Kalain nyo yun, part 6 na tayo. So, many more boxes to go, but at least we're making progress. So, today, this particular box actually, puro comic books yun nandito. Most of them are comic books. If you've seen part 1, I talked about how I became a fan of reading, and it's all because of comic books. So, lumaki ako na nagbabasa ng comics. Filipino comics, definitely. So, nadala ko yun into my adult life, and ngayon, nagkokolekta pa rin ako ng iba't ibang comic book series. I do have a lot of them. Actually, you will see the two biggest collections I have sa next two videos, I think. So, abangan niyo yun kasi that's something that I'm very proud of, or those are something that I'm very proud of. So, with no further ado, let's go ahead and start with part 6 of my bookshelf tour. So, simulan natin. These are, I guess, a series. Oo, kulang ako ng isa dito sa series na to. So, you have Life in Progress. This is by Julius Villanueva. He made Ella Arcangel, and there's going to be an animated film next year. So, abangan nyo yun. Sa ngayon, wala pa akong Ella Arcangel sa collection, but that's going to be part of my 2026. So again, Life in Progress. So we have the next one, Life in Progress, Geek Machine Telemetry. Telemetry. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung intonation nito. But yes, there. And then you also have Life in Progress Volume 3, Tales of Minor Awesomeness. Tagal na nito sa akin. Parang college days ko pa ito binili. So, 15 years ago, mga ganun. Or maybe 10 years ago. Pero matagal na tong copies na to. So, Life in Progress. Okay. Moving on to the next ones. Okay. So, we have Shasha Zaturna, or complete title, Ang Kagilagilalas na Pakikipagsapalaran ni Shasha Zaturna. This is by Carlo Vergara. I believe this is the reprinted edition. Wala ko nung original. So, there. This one, also a signed copy, as well as Shasha Zatwarna sa Kalakhang, Maynila. There. So, I have the two volumes. And again, both of them are signed copies. Thank you, Sir Carlo, and thank you, Miss Nida. There. Okay, moving on. We have Elmer. This is by Jerry Alangilan. There. This is one of the most popular graphic novels here in the Philippines. Especially if you're familiar sa circle ng Filipino comics, this is one of the most popular ones. If you haven't read it like me, I guess it's highly recommended that we read it. So again, Elmer. Okay. Next one we have Garapitik. This is by Sir Eric Guzman Pingol. Sir Eric is one of my favorite authors as well. I really, really love his works, especially in novels niya. So, I'm super duper excited to read this one kasi sobrang iba naman siya from what I'm used to reading from Sir Eric. So, sobrang excited. When I bought this, tinanong niya pa ako kung nagbabasa ba ako ng ganito. Sabi ko, oo naman, I read comic book. So there, Garapitik. Okay, let's move on. So I have here two issues of Badinger Z, The Akla Assassin. This is by Direct Real Esplorido. There. So that's part 1, and this is part 2. There. Yes. Also, both of these are signed copies. Bongga! Moving on from Adarna, or Anino Comics, which is an imprint of Adarna books. So we have Josefina. This is by Russell L. Molina and Ace C. Enriquez. Here, signed copy. Okay. And Lunatics, also by Russell Molina and Ace Enriquez. Again, signed copies din itong mga ito. So, ang bongga natin doon, di ba? Signed copy sila parehas. Okay, let's continue. These next ones are, I have to say para silang ashcans. So, binili ko sila mainly because I am familiar with the industry that is being mentioned in the story. And sobrang ganda kasi ng cover. So I decided to buy the issues. So you have Crime Fighting Call Center Agents. This is by Noel Pascual and AJ Bernardo. So that's book one. And then you have book two to three. Here's 46. And then 7. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng colors ng cover. So, yeah, I'm not sure if they still have these copies. Pero kung pupunta kayo ng mga Comic-Con or Comiket conventions, yeah, baka nandun si Sir AJ or si Sir Noel, grab a copy of these ones kasi sobrang fun nung idea. I haven't read this, but I will soon. Sana. Okay. So again, crime fighting call center agents. Okay. Moving on, we have another series. Okay. So this is Patay Kung Patay. There. So the creators for this one is the same with crime fighting call center agents. So you have Noel Pascual, AJ Bernardo, and then Sir Mike Alcazarin. So that's part one. Here's part two. You have part three. Here's part four. Now you have part five. Here's part six. And the finale. Ang ganda ng covers, no? I really love the contrast between white, black, and red. Sama na natin yung gray. The colors are really beautiful. So, sobrang excited akong basahin din to. Hindi ko pa nababasa. I have to be honest. Sobrang dami kong comic books na hindi pa nababasa. But, I am truly, truly excited na mabasa itong mga to in the future. I also have the 10th anniversary edition of books 1 and 2. So, ito yun. There. So, that's Patay Kung Patay. Okay, let's continue. The next ones are from indie pop. So, ito yung novels. Okay, I mentioned earlier na merong mga novels dito sa collection or sa box na to. So, the first one is Alinam. There. So, I believe this is a middle grade story. Yes. Okay. And then, I also have this one, The Indio and the Impaler. Here. This is by, oops, nalaglag yung bookmark. So this is by Wency Aquino Ong. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Alinam is by Mickey Ingles. Or Ingalls. Sorry. Okay. Going back, so this is the Indio and the Impaler. Again, by Wency Aquino Ong. This is a signed copy. I went to an event a few weeks ago, and Sir Wency talked about the book and his creative process, and sobrang saya nung activity na yun. So there. Okay, let's continue. We also have a couple of Ashkines from other creatives. So this one is from Carvic. Kung madalas kayo sa Facebook, baka familiar kayo sa Sari Sari Story. Carvic is the one who created that one, that page. So yan, baka familiar kayo dun sa bear. There. So, Sari Sari Story by Carvic. And then I have some of his ashcans then, or self-published work. So this is Not Now. You have Still Single here. And the last one, Passing Pages. There. So again, by Carvic. Next one is from Borj Sinaban. So we have Endangered. This is episode 1, Tooth and Nail. And, and then episode 2, Skull and Bones. If you're if you're familiar with Jana Silang books, yung cover nun, si Borj Sinaban yung nag-design. So, I'm excited to read this one too. Kasi sobrang bait ni Borj habang sinasign niya tong dalawang to. Sobrang bait niya. Okay, next one are from one of the nicest creatives that I met this year. So, this is one of the BL stories that I really enjoyed. Ito lang din yata yung katangi-tanging comic book series na nabasa ko this year. So, special siya for 2025. And also because pinaiyak ako nitong series na to. So, you have Somewhere in My Past by Gigi Chan. There. So, this is book 1 or volume 1. And you have volume 2. There. And volume 3. So, meron din siyang epilogue na ginawa in the same story within the same universe. So where we are now. And may iba pa siyang mga standalone. For example, we have Fire in the Fog. So para lang siyang zine. Ayan o. Yes, Fire in the Fog. And you have Retreat. And then Sakdalaya. Yan, all of these are by Gigi Chan, one of the nicest persons I've met this year. Okay, let's continue. Etong mga ito ay anthologies na usually binibigay ng Comic-Con for free. So if you come to their event and you're one of the first 500 or first 1,000 guests, you're going to get a free copy of their anthology. So I was able to collect a couple of them. I think I have about 7. Yeah, I have about 7. So you have first Community or Community 2022. Here's Community Kids. Cute. And then you also have another one, Community Kids. And then here's Cometverse. Okay. Meron din tayong Community Animals. So this is from 2024. Ayan. And then Community 2025 Comiket X. Etong copy ko na to, bongga to, kasi it's an anthology and all of the artists or most of the artists na papirma ko, parang out of all of the artists featured here, parang isa na lang yung hindi ko pa napapasign. So, sana mahanap ko siya soon para kompleto. So, there's Community 2025. And then this one naman is from Peacock. So, you have Tuwa. So, again, an anthology of comic stories or comic strips. So, there, Tuwa. Okay. And then, the next one I have, okay, is actually from Comic-Con naman. So, I have sabihin natin coffee book or coffee table book. Yun ba yung tamang term doon? But anyway, this is Comic-Con 20th. Yes. So, this is para siyang biography ng Comic-Con. So, talking about the 20 years of Comic-Con here in the Philippines, and this was compiled and edited by Raymond Banua. So, there. Andun halos lahat ng Filipino characters in comic book history, or the recent comic book history. So, there. Okay, oops. Ay, nalaglag siya. Tayo muna natin siya ulit. Or alisin ko na siya. And this one is also from Ray Magbanwa. So, three times dash. There. Free lang to, kasama nung coffee table book. Okay, we're not yet finished. So, eto naman are from, sabihin natin, a relatively new press or a relatively new publishing company here in the Philippines. They focus mainly on comic books. So, I started collecting their books back in 2024. It was during peak off. Naglalakad lang ako, checking out copies or checking out comic books. And then nakita ko yung covers nung isang booth. Sobrang colorful. Naintriga tuloy ako kung tungkol saan siya. And I was able to talk to the illustrator. And na-convince naman ako na bilhin yung mga copies na nandun. And it was not uh, a regret whatsoever. So you have, or we have, Maharlika by Rexy Dorado and John Ray. This is volume 1 and volume 2. There. Volume 1, compilation siya ng tracks 1 to 5. So, parang yun yung Ashcans. So, Ashcans 1 to 5, yun nasa volume 1, and then 6 to 10, yun nasa volume 2. Palabas na yung volume 3 this next year. So, excited ako doon. Kahit hindi ko pa ito nababasa. But, this is going to be in my TBR for January. So, stay tuned. Okay. Ito yung individual Ashcans. So, I have here number 6. So, this is track 6. Ayan. Di ba ang ganda ng covers? Track 7. You have track 8. And then, track 9. Meron din akong track 11 na ibang artist yung gumawa ng cover. So, this is track 11 by Lucia Azul. Cover by Lucia Azul. There. And then also from Raygun Press, I have these two other series. Speaking of Lucia Azul, we have Night Gate, book 1. And then you also have book 2. And then from Rexy again, but with a different artist, si Sampay. So you have Thank You and More Power. This is book 1. And book 2. Ang cute nung drawings nito na very, how do I say it? Parang napaka-bubbly nung covers or nung artwork itself. Okay. Actually, yun na lahat yung laman nung box na to. Di ba? Ang daming comic books. Mabot tayo ng 20 minutes. But, I'm going to show you another thing. Speaking of Raygun Press, I went to one of their events and fortunate naman ako na nakatanggap ng gift box. I wasn't expecting that. Na-invite lang ako and then Rexy told me that he prepared something for me or for all the other participants. I did not expect anything big. Iniisip ko noon baka ano lang, food, something like that. Basta pagkain, pupunta ako eh. But no, they actually prepared a gift box for us. So, ito yung unang beses na nakatanggap ako ng gift box from a publishing company or from a team of creators. So, sobrang saya. Hindi ko siya in-expect talaga. So, here is the box set. Ayan. Puso kong konti. There. So this is from Reagan Press. What's inside? Actually, almost the same. Ang nadagdag lang ay yung tracks 11 to 13 na ashcan. Let me open it for you. So, ayun, meron din palang tote bag. Ayan. But the rest ay mga same books lang. So, you have Nightgate, you have Maharlika, volumes 1 and 2, and then, ito na yung ashcans. So, you have 11, 12, and 13. Ayan. Ito yung magiging part ng volume 3, along with 14 and 15. So, this is part of the box that was given to me. And then, meron ding, yeah, Thank You and More Power, books 1 and 2. There. So, duplicate copies ko na sila, but what the hell, I'm not going to share it to anybody else. These things are special. Joke lang. Parang sumanong galing ko doon. I'm going to keep them, especially because it was a gift and na-appreciate ko talaga yung gesture. So, I will keep them for myself, not being selfish, but this means a lot to me. So, there. I'm really happy na I was one of the ones na nakatanggap. So, thank you, Rexy. Thank you, John Ray. Thank you, Raygun Press. So, there. Okay, tatabi ko na to. Okay. All right. So actually, that's about it for this box or this bookshelf tour, part 6. The next books that I'll be showing you are also comic books. So please stay tuned. Again, those are probably my one of two of the biggest collections that I have. So please stay tuned for that one. So this is Marky again from PH Books and More. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.